As the young female pine marten faces her second Highland winter, Matt does all he can to help her survive. His supply of peanuts will give her the fat reserves she needs for the months ahead. Remarkably, when she's focused on food, she momentarily loses her fear. Even after 40 years of encouraging wildlife into his garden, this is a special moment for Matt. And it's about to get even better. The fact that the garden now has multiple pine martens suggests that there could be young next year. But there's one more thing that the female needs. Somewhere to hide. Matt's specially built box, furnished with comfy bedding. And it's above the lounge, so it's nice and warm too. It's the perfect place to see out the winter. And perhaps next spring, she'll give birth to her first litter of kits.